Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity and introduce myself. My name is Surajit Mondol. I am from Kolaghat, West Bengal East. Okay. I am from Kolaghat, West Bengal East Medinipur, and now I am 20 years old, and now I am a student of Franklin Aerospace Training Institute. So now I share about a topic with my Puri trip with my family. So last year I planned visit Puri with my family. So, with my family members and my family members and me also. I we also my family members such as also planned. My father, my mother also, and my sister, including me. So we four decide and planning went to Puri, went visit to Puri. So I decide last year I went to Puri October month, end month of October, end of Durga Puja. So I planned and I also my family planned. We went to Puri because this time my college is মানে স্যার কলেজ ছুটি ছিল আচ্ছা my college was closed and also my sister school is closed. So after we planning and we cut train ticket, and after that we book ticket and I decide went to Puri and a night train. The train name is Jagannath Express. So we মানে we re- we book we book ticket from Mecha railway station, and after that yesterday মানে স্যার the last day night, last night we packing our luggage and packing our luggage, then we complete our dinner and going to bed for sleep. Then we morning also plan and some shopping. Then we complete our full summer packing. Then we complete our lunch and took some rest. After that we ready for going to Mechada railway station in 6 p.m. because our at about 6 p.m. because our train timing is 8 p.m. So I went to station and reached station after 30 minutes because we went to Puri first time. So I know anything. I did not have any idea. So, our our place about the place. So after that train was coming 8 p.m. We reached ট্রেনে উঠলাম স্যার ওটা কি বলছে আচ্ছা got into I got into the train with my family. Then we সিটে বসলাম স্যার ওটা কি হবে our seat. We took our seat. Then few some rest. After few some rest, then we complete our dinner in train. So then we watch mobile sometimes. After that we all sleeping. Then after that come we reach in Puri station in morning 4 p.m. 4 to 4:30 p.m. because train is late. As train is late, so we reach in Puri station and 4 p.m. After that we booked a toto and then we going to in Sagarduar na কি একটা জায়গা হ্যাঁ and we visited Sorgodwar. Then we reach our after that we check in our hotel at 6 a.m. because our hotel booked in early from my home. And after that we reach our hotel and get took some rest and fresh. Then got fresh. After that we complete my bath and after complete my bath and brush my teeth and fed some fresh. Then we went to Puri beach side because some complete our breakfast and complete our breakfast and I and my family member back in the hotel and come back to my hotel and we took some rest. And then after that in afternoon 12 p.m. With my family and me going to visit beach side and some enjoying moment. Enjoying some moment. And after that we come back our hotel and took some rest and complete our lunch. Then we decide in some in and then we decide in the evening we are visiting in Puri Jagannath temple. Then we visited Jagannath temple and we come back our hotel at 9 p.m. Then we complete our dinner and got into the bed. That's all about my visiting my Puri first day.